Hey sweeties, welcome to my channel. My name is Kamari. If you're new, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do soft locks. I received this hair from Leeven Hair Company. It is an Amazon company. They sent me the 18-inch new locks in the color 30 and the passion twist hair in the color T30. I love how the style turned out. Soft locks is such a great protective style. I will show you every step in this tutorial, how I part my hair, how I braid my hair, how I crochet the locks in, how I wrap the hair. So if you want to see how this style turned out, continue watching. I will have all the company's information down below. I will have the hair links down below if you want to purchase this hair. I definitely think that 6 bags is more than enough hair. They provide you with a lot of hair, so you definitely are getting your money's worth. So this company sent me 6 packs of the new locks and 6 packs of the passion twist hair. I only used about 3 packs of the new locks and 3 packs of the passion twist hair, so you definitely will have enough hair for a full head. I didn't have any issues with running out hair. I had more than enough hair left over. If you wanted to extend the locks, you can. You will have more than enough hair to do that as well. Continue watching to see the final look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment down below. If you want to see me do any other type of tutorials, let me know down in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my videos. And thanks for watching.